I got two hood ornaments today. I got my regular hood ornament, and then I got my window ornament. This dog, he loves riding with his head out the window. And I have to really watch him, because if he gets up, standing up too high, he'll slip on this plastic ledge. And one time, if I didn't have a hold of him, he'd have gone out. And wag, 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 wag. I've never seen a dog wag so much. What's that, Lassie? Did Timmy fall in the well? Oh no, time to lick your junk. Okay, well, we won't watch. Jay, you are shaped and ready for some hand sanding. So in about 3 hours, I think I'll be up to being ready to buff this. Okay, Jay, let's go. Woo, that was a quick one. Let's go. Let's go see what we can make, the kind of purdy we can bring out of this. Boy, I'd tell you what, I sure like bringing these handles out with sandpaper in my hands. I don't know why it's so satisfying. And the only thing, I've compared it to this before, the only thing I can compare it to is what do they call them people that, potters? People that put clay on a wheel and make different pots and stuff, is how they must feel when something takes shape just from their hands. And that's what I get from making handles. It is my favorite part of the entire knife making process is the handles. All right, let's go put it on the buffer. Be right back. And now for something completely different. There we go. I like it. The BC Special. Stabilized walnut, solid brass pins, a little bit of jimping. Next time, I'm going to move the jimping down about 1/2 inch, and I'll leave about an 1/8 inch gap between the nose of my wood and the beginning of the jimping. This doesn't look bad. It would just made it harder to sand the top of this without sanding off the top of the jimping. So Jay Wallace, you are ready for a sheath. There's the mystery buyer's knife. And so I've got 3 ready for a sheath now. And now, let's see. I got Doug's BC Special that he wants desert ironwood on and Texas pins. My BC logo etched on it. Red in Florida wants a BC Special. Errol wants a BC Special. I don't know who that is. I'll have to look. I got the paperwork inside. And Jesse. Oh yeah, Jesse over in Carthage? Kilgore? I forget. He wants a neck knife. EL. Is it Eric? I'm not sure. I have his name wrote down. But anyway, I'm going to start on those as soon as I finish the sheaths for the 3. Actually, the 4. So let me take these 2 in there now. And I'll show you what I got that I'm going to make sheaths for. And so far, everything is sold except for the paracord wrapped dinner skinner. which when I get it all done and I'm not handling it anymore, I will, okay, the dinner skinner is back in the shop. This is the paracord wrapped dinner skinner here with a mirror polish finish. And I have some black leather right here that I'm going to make a sheath out of. And I'm going to use that red thread right there. And it's going to look pretty. Okay, Monday, tomorrow, I start making sheaths. And when all the sheaths are done, then I'm going back to the knife shop and start making the knives for the people that I have in there that I just showed you. Okay? Let me think. What am I going to do now? It's the middle of the day, middle of Sunday. I think I'm going to do a heavy cleanup of my shop. Trash cans, clean up all my benches, and do a minor inventory of sandpaper and that kind of stuff. I just ordered some more epoxy, some more Kydex. Oh, I don't know if this interests any of my subscribers, my viewers, but I got some pink Kydex. And I have some pink paracord. Don't judge me. And I'm going to do a neck knife with pink Kydex, pink cord to hang around your neck for the Kydex, and pink handle wrap. Maybe that's too much pink, but I think it's kind of fun. And this is just the different colors of paracord that I have right now. Flat dark earth, yeller, and yeller camo, digital camo, zombie camo, OD green, and pink. And then I have some sand and some FDE. Okay, so that's a knife I'm gonna make. I haven't made it yet. So, all right, let me get to cleaning. It's been a great week. I had a fun time making that knife. Okay. See you tomorrow. Huh?
Did you get a picture?
I got a picture. Now I'm getting a video.
They're so big.
So don't drop your typical F-bombs, you dirty mouth sailor. That's 2 chickens and 2 ducks.
Yeah, Mary's underneath mine.
It's an armload. That's really strange that they're all okay with that now. I guarantee you're going to be...
the chickens came up here.
Yeah?
Yeah, they came up here and wanted to be a part of the...
Huh. Yep.
Well, the chickens don't know that Mary is not their mother. They were only a day or 2 old when we got them,
right.
And Mary took over. I mean, Ruthie.
Right away, yeah. Ruthie, yeah. Ruthie took over and acted like their mama.
Yeah.
And now she worries and frets whenever the chickens are out of her sight. Very funny. Animals are funny.